Carry it. Wee!
Room from here.
Dude, this is fun. You wee!
Yeah.
Folks, as some of you are doing, please feel free to walk around in here. Just not everyone to one side.
In other words, go back where you came from.
But keep in mind, for those of you who do not ski or snowboard, or if you do haven't been here yet, that pretty much all this terrain is skiable and or rideable. For some folks, they would like for me to play a CD here for you, give you a little bit of information on where you are, where you're going, and what you're in.
Street?
There's deer right down there.
Did not ever go to one time.
Jerry, over here.
Why? You're not here. Where did you find
Down there.
You're silly, Elizabeth.
You see a lot of deer up here?
Yeah.
So I saw the first, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I pointed, oh, you didn't see it, did you?
I was busy.
That tree looks like it was the snow. It got snow on it. It's okay, we're not gonna.
Here we go.
I hate this part.
We will climb 2,900 vertical feet and travel 1.6 miles in approximately 9 minutes at an average speed of 6 meters per second or 13 miles per hour. Hidden Peak at 11,000 feet provides the highest lift service skiing access in the state and also services most of our 2,500 acres of rideable terrain. The aerial tram began operation in December of 1971. It was built by the Swiss firm Garaventa at a cost of $3.5 million. During the ski season, the tram is loaded with 120 skiers and snowboarders about every 8 minutes and gives them access to some of the most incredible ski terrain in the world. This terrain is covered with an average of 40 feet annually of the greatest snow on Earth. The ski season is usually starts in and can extend to June. The tram cars you are in are two 54mm track cables with separate center cables of 38mm and with a haul rope which pulls this car up and down while lowering the other cars down at the same time. The 1750 horsepower electric motor can move the tram at a top speed of 10 meters per second or 22 miles per hour. In addition to the tram, Snowbird and mineral basins. All these chairlifts provides access to and from the Alta ski area. Skiers can purchase the Alta ski pass for daily access to both areas. The majestic peaks surrounding you rose above what is now the Salt Lake Valley approximately 5 million years ago. More recently, over a period of thousands of years, glacial activity carved and shaped little cotton fields and left hanging valleys and lakes along the south side of the canyon.
That's where you hike up.
Long before the area became synonymous with alpine, Little Cottonwood Canyon was a place to mine silver. Centered around what is now the Alta Symbol, a mine of the canyon, the area's first mining began in 1862. At its peak, the town of Alta was home to 5,000 seasonal residents and 180 buildings, 26 of which were saloons. Many of the names at Alta and Snowbird are taken from old mines and mining claims, including Snowbird, Peruvian Gulch, and Big Emma.
I hear they got the tunnel to over here.
As we pass over Peruvian Gulch, you will notice a project underway beneath us. This summer is the second summer of a 2-year project that involves the installation of a new high-speed quad chairlift and the creation of a tunnel between Peruvian Gulch and Mineral Basin. Upon completion, the tunnel will be nearly 600 feet long house a conveyor lift
Oh,
that
there's
will
an animal.
transport skiers and snowboarders into mineral
Deer,
basins.
antelope.
The new high-speed quad will take riders 2,600 vertical feet from the base of the resort to the
I'm not looking
entrance of
anywhere
the
anymore. It's
tunnel.
underneath.
From there, skiers can head through the tunnel to the mineral basin
I don't know how you
or
do
choose
it.
to
I
swim
felt
through
like
the
for a
gulch.
second.
The tunnel and lift are scheduled to be completed by opening day of the 2006-07 season.
Ice pack, but,
A variety of animals can be found on or around Hidden Peak and at the Snowbird Center. Smaller animals include the pika, the potbelly or Uinta ground squirrel, gray squirrel, leaf chipmunk, marmot, and porcupine. Larger animals include the Rocky Mountain goat, moose, mule deer, mountain lions, and coyotes. Please feel free to wander around the peak as long as you would like. As you can see, we offer some spectacular hiking from the top of the tram into Mineral Basin and Gad Valley. Please note that Peruvian Gulch is closed to hikers and bikers this summer due to ongoing lift and tunnel construction. If you have any further questions that would make your stay here at Snowbird more enjoyable, please feel free to ask your tram operator.
We're just going down
Caleb likes it. He likes it. It's fun.
Baby likes it.
He's pulling on.
Hold on. She's videotaping him.
How do you get down from here then?
You'd like to down the way.
All these guys? We thought we could go down the road.
Can't hike down.
It's not down the road. The road's closed.
That's what I told you, Mom.
Where did you hike it yesterday?
Brandon
Called
walked down.
construction, it's called trenches.
But Brandon just hiked it. Where did you go? He walked down the road.
Gad Valley Trail, sir, or the Peruvian Ridge Trail. This road is closed. That's what I said, Peruvian.
But right here on the side, you can go down right there.
Regulator for the Gad Valley Trail is open.
Is it too